Good evening and welcome back to the Crown Lounge. And what we got going on now is it's a good refreshing drink that you can drink by the pool. If you don't got a pool, go to your neighbor's pool. If your neighbor doesn't got a pool, don't go to a public pool. Or the beach, go to the beach. If you don't got a beach, go to the lake. If you don't got a lake, don't use your ponds in your backyard. What do they call? Anyway, back to the drink. So, for this is a bourbon heavy drink, right? We're gonna go with some fiddlers. We're gonna go 2 ounces of bourbon of your choice. A half an ounce of Amaretto. All I got left is about a half an ounce. Half an ounce of lemon juice. You can freshly squeeze the lemon if you want. And last, we're going to do half an ounce of pineapple juice. Give this a good stir. Could add ice and stir with ice. Then you can strain it. Or you can just pour it over ice. Give it a little twirl. There you have it, a Tiki Boom. And boom it is. It's a good drink. Ooh. I thought it was going to be like not as strong, but this is one of these poolside drinks that you can be proud of and I guess manly, because it has a little kick to it. You taste the bourbon in it and the pineapple juice and the lemon. It's a really good drink. But anyway, don't forget to like, follow, and share. Till next time, cheers.